Hi, I'm Gonzalo L. Sanchez III, BSIT 83B. This is my actual observation on performing fault diagnostic test procedure in emission system, fuel injection system, and exhaust system. And these are the machines that being used on the emission system test procedure. Using the analyzer probe into the exhaust tailpipe, as you can see, the system shows the result of the emission test. This vehicle shows failed on the MOT test. This vehicle shows the catalytic converter working below efficiency. Replacing the catalytic converter may reduce the CO value and Lambda reading. Enable MOT pass. Catalytic converter could easily be damaged again. On calculating this information, the ECU thinks the engine running too late, so adding more fuel and attempt to achieve the fuel ratio of 1 part fuel, 14.7 part air, and Lambda 1. Therefore, the extra fuel result in hydro common level of 153 parts per million. By using the vapor machine, we can locate the problem. It will be very difficult to see or hear the air pipe without these vapor machines. Of air leak, once it is identified the holes, the new test result will be excellent reading list result. And now, we can discuss the fuel injection system. Most tests are carried out while cranking the engine. Sounds like this. And it sounds that the ignition system is operating correctly. The possible fault of the injection system are short circuit, enrichment device not working, fuel system wiring fault, air filter dirty or black, coolant temperature sensor open circuit, and the fuel system contamination. Let's talk about the exhaust system, a fault diagnostic procedure. Number 1. Low power. When the exhaust system is blocked, the engine will have low power caused by excessive back pressure in the exhaust system. This is due to the engine unable to exhale the exhaust fumes. As a result, exhaust fumes will start to back up into the engine and affect engine performance. Driver will notice lack of power going on the highway and vehicle struggling going over a hill. Number 2. Overheating. When the exhaust system is blocked, hot exhaust fumes will be backed up into the engine. The excess heat will overload the cooling system ability to cool the engine. As a result, the engine will suffer from overheating and this can cause engine's head gasket to blow. Number 3. No start, hard start, and stalling. It is important for the engine to inhale, exhale for a smooth engine operation. When the exhaust is blocked, the engine is unable to exhale. As a result, driver will notice engine stalling on the road. Also, driver will notice difficulty to start the engine. Number 4. Rotten egg and exhaust smell. When the exhaust is blocked, usually it is caused by a failed catalytic converter. When the catalytic fails, it can emit a sulfur smell. It can also trigger catalytic code such as P0420. In addition, when the catalytic converter fails, it will also fail the emission test. Number 5. Poor gas mileage. Again, when the engine performance suffers, gas mileage will also suffer. Driver will notice a decreased miles per gallon. Number 6. Misfire. Although it is rare for an engine to misfire due to a blocked catalytic converter, it can happen. Driver will notice severe lack of performance, check engine light flashing, engine shaking, and stalling. These are my actual observations in performing fault diagnostic procedure.